Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to write an advertisement for to let. To let means अगर आप अपना मकान, अपनी दुकान किराए पे चढ़ाना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए किस तरह से एडवर्टाइजमेंट लिखनी है. So let's get started. Now students, if you want to know what is an advertisement, different types of advertisements, what is classified advertisement, different categories of advertisement or marking scheme for class 12th CBSE, then please watch lecture 1 on advertisement writing. There I have discussed all these topics in detail. So today I'm going to teach you how to write an advertisement for to let. To let means available for rent. स्टूडेंट्स बहुत बार आपने इधर उधर घूमते हुए देखा होगा किसी दुकान के सामने या किसी मकान के सामने एक बोर्ड लगा होता है जिसपे लिखा होता है टू लेट. उसका मतलब क्या होता है कि ये मकान या दुकान किराएदारों को चढ़ाने के लिए खाली है. So it is a type of advertisement that gives details of the accommodation that a property owner wishes to let out on rent or lease. तो इसमें आपको अपनी प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में सारे डिटेल्स देने होते हैं. दिस इज रिटन बाय अ पर्सन लुकिंग फॉर टेनेंट्स. टेनेंट्स मीन्स किराएदार फॉर हिज और हर प्रॉपर्टी. अगर आपको किराएदारों की जरूरत है, आप अपना मकान किराए पे चढ़ाना चाहते हैं तो फिर आप टू लेट वाली एडवर्टाइजमेंट लिखते हैं. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हियर आर इंपॉर्टेंट टिप्स टू बी फॉलोड. When you are writing an advertisement, clearly state the category at the top. For example, to let, accommodation wanted, situation vacant, for sale, etc. So this is your heading under which category you are writing your advertisement. So our very first line is to write the name of the category on the top. After that, give all necessary details. And students, please use simple and short phrases. We need not use complete sentences over here. आपको अपनी प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में बताना है. How many rooms are there? What facilities are available? Where is it situated? तो वो हम phrases में ही बता सकते हैं. And at the end of the advertisement, give name, contact address and telephone number. And please don't be too lengthy. Your word limit for advertisement writing is 50 words. So please do not exceed the word limit. अगर आप 50 वर्ड से ज्यादा लिखते हो या 50 वर्ड से कम लिखते हो तो उसके लिए आपके नंबर कटेंगे. And once you have written your advertisement, please do not forget to put the matter in a box. क्योंकि अगर आप बॉक्स ड्रॉ करना भूल गए, then half number will be deducted. आपका आधा नंबर गया. Now students, here are some value points. ये सारे वैल्यू पॉइंट्स अगर आप याद रखते हैं तो आप बहुत अच्छे ढंग से एडवर्टाइजमेंट लिख सकते हैं. तो अगर हम अपनी शॉप, अपना हाउस किराए पे चढ़ाना चाहते हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू टेल टाइप ऑफ अकोमोडेशन, वेदर इट इज अ फ्लैट, ऑफिस, शॉप. देन प्लीज स्पेसिफाई द नंबर ऑफ रूम्स और ऑन विच फ्लोर इज योर फ्लैट और हाउस. Then you must tell the direction or location. So all these phrases are going to help you a lot. Sun facing or east facing, because people prefer to buy or to take on rent a house which is east facing. Is it a corner house, park facing, or proximity means nearness to business, shopping area, mall, school, metro station. Because people want their house to be near the market, shopping complex, or station. Then facilities, you may write that 24 hours water and electricity supply, telephone connection, car parking, and then you must mention rent expected. Or if you do not want to write that, you may write rent negotiable. यानी बातचीत करके रेंट फिक्स हो जाएगा. टाइप ऑफ टेनेंट रिक्वायर्ड. अब कुछ लोग चाहते हैं कि उनके यहाँ जो किराएदार आए वो अच्छे ऑफिसर्स होने चाहिए, किसी कंपनी में काम करते हों, कोई बैंक एम्प्लॉई हो या फिर स्मॉल फैमिली हो. So if you have any such requirement, you can mention. Whom and when to contact? So give your contact address and phone number. Now students, here is a sample advertisement for you. You want to rent out your newly constructed flat in the heart of the city. आपका फ्लैट शहर के बिल्कुल बीचों बीच है and it is newly constructed. उसे आपने किराए पे चढ़ाना है. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the Deccan Herald, Bangalore, under classified columns. Give all the necessary details. You are Mohan or Mahima of Jayanagar, Bengaluru. Now students, let us see what value points are already there in the question which can be used while writing our advertisement. I'm going to read the question once again. You want to rent out your newly constructed flat in the heart of the city. So now here our category is to rent. It means we are going to write under the category to let or available for rent. Now, what is the type of accommodation? It is a newly constructed flat. And where is it situated? In the heart of the city. So this has already been provided. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words. So word limit is given 50 words. And even if the word limit is not given, you should know it beforehand. Advertisement writing is to be done in 50 words. Give all the necessary details. Now the details you have to invent. तो जो भी हमने वैल्यू पॉइंट्स में डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स डिस्कस किए थे उसमें से कुछ पॉइंट्स उठा के आप यहाँ पे डाल सकते हैं. You are Mohan or Mahima of Jayanagar, Bengaluru. So contact address is also provided to you. Now students, let us see how to write this advertisement. And please note that we are not using complete sentences over here, only phrases are written. So the category is to let. Now when you are writing this advertisement, you can start with available on rent. A newly constructed flat in the heart of the city. Now this was given in the question. On MG Road with 24 hours water and electricity backup facility. 2 bedrooms with attached bathrooms. 1 huge drawing cum dining hall. Park facing. Nearby metro station. Expected rent 24,000 per month. Company lease only. Contact Mohan, Jayanagar, Bengaluru. You may also give your phone number. So student, isn't it easy? You simply have to learn the value points and use some of them along with the ones which are already given in the question. One more advertisement. You have recently constructed a flat with all the facilities in a posh area. As you have decided to give it on rent, draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words for the to let column of a local daily. Invent all the necessary details, including contact address. So here you have to invent the contact address on your own and other necessary details. And category is provided to you. Now students, I will read the question once again and discuss with you. You have recently constructed a house with all the facilities in a posh area. Now, what is type of accommodation? It is a house which is recently constructed in posh area with all the facilities. As you have decided to give it on rent, draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words. So word limit is given for the to let column of a local daily. So your category or title is to let. Now remaining details along with the address we have to invent on our own. So here the category is to let. Now we will use the information provided in the question. Along with that, we will add some value points on our own. A newly constructed house with 4 spacious bedrooms with attached bathrooms, a big drawing room cum dining hall, modular kitchen, servant quarter, car parking, sun facing, 24 hours water and power supply, rent negotiable. Contact Chirag, Vasant Kunj, New Delhi. So student, isn't it easy to write an advertisement for to let? Just learn one advertisement, the points which are discussed here. जो भी points question में दिए हैं उसके साथ 5-6 points अपनी तरफ से add कर दो and your advertisement is ready. That's it. So students, thank you very much for watching this video, and for more such videos, kindly subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, please do not forget to press the thumbs up button and do share my videos with your friends. Thank you very much.